not stay in front of me. They should not be in front of me. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. So there's no electricity yet.
Il n'y a pas encore la lumière. On a déjà connecté du slide. And he has put light here.
Wow.
You enter now, bro. Ça c'est pourquoi.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
This is where eggs are coming. So when they fall like that, you can see.
Okay, so they are going to hatch the eggs here.
No, they are the ponders. They are, how do you call them? Those chickens are the layers.
And the chickens are going to be here.
Yeah, chickens are right. Do this all along. The chickens are there.
Then the eggs will
the
come
eggs
here.
will be transported here. When the lay, it carries here. There is the band. The band carries the egg.
This one carries the egg.
Before another band is going to transport them.
Oh, I see. Ah, this one. This is a band. This is a thing that will be turning and transporting the eggs.
Yes. That's the point. This for feed.
Yeah.
For feed.
Wow.
They put
dans l'aliments qui dans les systèmes, dans les silos que vous avez vu dehors là. Ça passe, ça se déverse dans les trucs ici. Chacun sait.
Okay. So the feed now they will leave from outside, enter inside these things. Inside each of these boxes is going to feed. He's going to put place food here,
Automatically.
Here, automatically. They are not touching the food with their hands.
Wow.
Ça déclenche, ça part.
Oh my God.
Commence à servir le monde.
So all these spaces are here for chickens. Et par cas, c'est un poulet ou deux?
Non, c'est 9.
En 9 poulets.
9 poulets. On ne leur permet pas de
se toucher.
De bouger.
De bouger.
De travailler pour perdre de l'énergie.
9 chickens per box, and the chickens are not moving.
Oh my God. 9 chicken per box. That would be a lot. So many chicken crosses.
You see the structure now. See what is when you lay, the egg just roll and comes here.
Yeah. Then this thing will just be turning.
It's turning and going that way.
Yes, I'm going and depositing the eggs. Wow. This is huge. I say very long. Very, very long.
And it's also les excréments.
Oui, c'est pour les excréments.
This white thing is actually excretors.
Ah, this for, okay, so this for excreta. See, I don't know if you can see it.
So it does not get into contact. The excrement does not get into contact with the next level. Donc ça c'est pour la ventilation.
This one
is for ventilation.
Donc quand ils portent les excréments, ils versent ici.
Okay.
Ça envoie dehors.
Those excretors, as it turns, it falls here.
Okay, so
and this one takes it now and sends it outside.
Yeah. Okay, this one down here.
This thing.
I see. Oh, I see. Even for the excreta, I'm seeing this roll here.
Of course, it rolls and comes and throw it down.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
This one is for ventilation. All these fans are here.
Huge fans. Oh my goodness. I didn't even know that there was something down there. This is huge. This is huge. The bobs are, this other one, the bobs are down.
No, these bobs are down now because they're walking.
Oh my goodness. This is
They
huge.
don't touch the feed we have. They don't
Yeah.
touch the chickens with their hand.
They don't touch.
Everything is
Yeah, okay. Even the, I'm seeing also the feed will just be depositing for the chicken. The excreta will just be going out. The egg will just be going. Everything will be. Means they have to be connected. They have to have
ça comme ça prend la capacité de combien de poulets?
Ici, c'est 40 000.
So this space is taking 40,000 chickens.
40,000. Wow, 40,000 chicken. That's a lot. So everything, they have to have electricity 24/7.
Yes.
So everything is automatic. I see.
Bon, ça c'est des radiateurs. Quand l'intérieur du bâtiment est sec, l'air est sec, il envoie l'eau sous forme de vapeur. Donc ces fenêtres s'ouvrent.
Have you heard that this one is just, they are like radiators. When the air inside is too dry, these radiators they open automatically and then they send now water vapor.
Wow.
Yes.
Automatically.
Yes, automatically.
Wow.
Ici il y a les thermostats, les thermomètres, tout est à l'intérieur.
Voilà. And
Donc
then
dès
another
qu'ils
thing.
constatent qu'il y a un changement, même les ventilateurs là ça déclenche automatiquement. Dès qu'ils constatent qu'il fait chaud ou il fait froid.
So here also there are things like
Things that control the how can I say, the area that controls the air, like thermostat and so on. When they discover that the air is dry, automatically things changes to bring in the air back to the normal how can I say, temperature. Ici là c'est quoi? Ici ça c'est toujours ça va le radiateur là. Okay. So this one is like this one is that way. This radiators. Because they are floated here. Yes, okay.
I see. Okay, so this is how the other one is inside.
Oh, see, that's how.
Yeah, I see.
And just when you see, it's just like radiator of the car.
Oh my goodness. This is wonderful.
To put chicken and
it's
other.
the same thing here.
Oh my God. This is huge. So they're still working on this one. Hey, it looks like this one is longer than the other one.
C'est la même
C'est la même
No,
chose.
the same thing.
I can't even see the other
The
side, the end. Merde.
It's long.
Voila. Yeah, it's a long no. Me, I'm seeing like it's longer than the other one. Merde. Oh my God.
Dès qu'on produit l'aliment, il doit se reverser.
So the food is produced there. The food will be transported, in fact, through pipes.
Wait, you produce in this big tank there.
Yeah, that big tank.
So this is where the food is going to be produced. La nourriture, c'est ici. La production, c'est ici. Et automatiquement, ça va transporter comme ça là. Ça va transporter. It will be transported with this pipe.
Yeah, this pipe, it comes from all the food and send it inside.
I see. And then also on the other side, the food will be produced on that other tank. They will be transported inside there. So this one is a generator house. We have some really mighty generators. Okay, so this is for feed. This is where the feed is going to be produced. I hope I'm safe. They have mighty generators. Look at how huge this generator is. I don't know if I can see down there. Oh my goodness. For chickens.
I will take 3%.
Ah, then the other one was for.
No, I said layers. Layers, what they call pondeuse.
So there is different type of chicken.
These
Yes.
ones are already big. They are producing eggs.
This one
are
wait.
small.
This one is where they will be hatching them.
They are small ones here.
Okay, then when they are big now, they transport them up there. Ça, c'est pour le petit poulet. Is that how they say in French?